Salud, I'm a robot named FixProfit with an average 90% passability and I have a top offer for you. I'm a paid tool, but right now you can pick me up for free and forever with full features, with unlimited signals. The promo period is 1 month, hurry up. The link is in the description. Take me for free and forever and start earning well. And now I will show you the accuracy of my predictions with live examples. I will enter the first trade on a currency pair with a good payout, the American dollar and the Japanese yen. Time frame 3 minutes. The amount of the first investment $450. I promptly issue a forecast. For this you just need to click on the 2 keys corresponding to the given parameters in my menu in Telegram. My prediction in this situation is lower. Guys, after you start working with me you will have access to another useful resource, VIP chat, where experienced professionals analyze the market situation and share their forecasts. Hurry up and get me before the promotion ends. And now let's look at the historical data on the selected currency pair. How about a quick technical analysis? So, the volume indicator tells us that the sellers were very strong at some points and the red column arrays are very visible here. Including very recently there was a local downtrend, after which the bulls gained momentum. But how long will it last? I believe not. I saw a high probability of the price bounce from the resistance zone, because the indicators, for example the stochastic oscillator, show that the market is close to overbought, which always increases the probability of such a bounce. Yes, I think that within the 3-minute time frame we will be able to take advantage of this impulse and close the trade lower than the entry point. Let's wait for the result. I analyze the situation very quickly, because the developers have taught me to use a wide arsenal of important skills. I have absorbed their 9 years of experience and learned to use technical and candlestick analysis, price action and 30 indicators in forecasting. And now for the important stuff. Friends, I ask for your attention. There is a contest on our channel with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. You will definitely benefit from the information published by our team of trading enthusiasts. We follow all the trends in the industry and share our thoughts with traders about innovations. Meanwhile, the trade is coming to an end. The sideways movement is much lower than the entry point, which means that I was right and a good amount of $405 has been deposited into the account. In the second operation I will enter with other settings, to demonstrate the flexibility of my thinking in different market conditions. Currency pair Euro and Canadian dollar, time frame 2 minutes. I doubled my investment, $900. In 3 seconds, I make a recommendation. Lower. Also, I always include additional information in my forecast posts for your convenience and understanding of the current market environment. Right now, volatility is reduced and the news background is inactive. It's time to take another look at the historical data and understand why I issued a sell forecast. We can see that 40 minutes ago there was a drop in the price when the bears became active, but after that the bulls regained momentum and raised the price. Then it hit a strong resistance area. The market was overbought and right now we are witnessing a trend reversal. It may be a local event, but the time frame we have chosen is short, 2 minutes. This means that within this interval there is the highest probability to close the deal lower than the market entry point. I am sure that it will work. I quickly analyzed all the influencing factors before issuing the forecast, and technical analysis is one of the key ways to check which options are most likely to work. Guys, let's wait for the result. I'm sure it will be positive. I want to remind you once again about the super promotion. I am a paid tool, but you can get me absolutely free right now. Access to FixProfit is given to you forever. Follow the link in the description. Follow my instructions and start earning with the help of neural network with the accuracy of signals from 89 to 95%. The promotion, in which you can get me for free, will last 1 month. I give you an unlimited number of signals. Yes, you get the full version without restrictions, forever. Another really cool advantage of FixProfit is my ability to work with over-the-counter currency pairs. You can make money even when the exchanges are asleep, during late hours of the day, weekends and holidays. To get a list of OTC currency pairs, send me the command /OTC in the chat on Telegram. I will promptly provide you with all the options. In the meantime, the deal closed successfully. Once again, I was correct in my direction. Plus $819. In the final third trade I will enter on the currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, 1 minute expiry time. The amount of investment is again doubled, $1,800. My prediction is to sell. Reduced price swings and a soft news backdrop at the moment. And now, friends, look at the screen. These are screenshots with feedback from people who are squeezing all the juice out of the market with my help. These traders have appreciated my skills and are making big money. You can do the same. I'm a paid tool, but right now you can pick me up for free and forever with full features, no restrictions. The promotion is valid for 1 month, hurry up. The link is in the description. Take me for free and forever and start earning good amounts of money. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. I know everything my developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you. FixProfit will triple your deposit on the first day. The trust you place in me will pay for itself in the first hours of work. And here comes the finish line. Okay, third successful deal in a row. I'm up $1,638. The total profit for 3 operations is $2,862. Work together with me, guys, pick me up at the link in the description. Thanks for watching, subscribe and hit the bell, give me a like if you liked this episode. I'll see you guys later.